what you're doing, I found the holy grail of deals for Walgreens online this week, so you don't even have to go inside and get all your products. We are going to be doing everything right from our computer, or you can do this on your phone as well. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. We're going to do it together exactly how to score this deal. I'm going to show you how to get almost $100 worth of products for free and a $25 moneymaker. Now, before we dive in, yes, we are going to be using Rakuten because we're earning cash back. The whole point and everything I talk about on this channel is about stacking as many things as possible. Sale prices, using digital coupons, and earning cash back from 2 different places. If you're not new to Rakuten, no worries. I have a scenario for you as well that I personally did this week because it wound up being that good. So let's dive in. If you're new here, my name is Bree. I help you save money using only your phone on all of your family essentials so you can put it towards what matters most. Maybe paying off your debt, maybe building your emergency fund, or taking that annual vacation. So if that's something you want to do and you're tired of paying full price, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. Below in the description, I do have a printable breakdown as well of the online deals, so that way you can have it up or print it out and just kind of follow it step by step as we're going through everything in this video. That way you can just double check it and make sure you didn't miss anything before you place your order. So let me switch my screen and we will do this together. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to click the link below in the description box if you are new to Rakuten and you are going to get signed up. If you are new, there is a bonus where you are going to get $50 cash back when you spend $50. So I'm going to show you guys that deal and exactly what to do in just a minute. Even if you're not new to Rakuten, we're still using Rakuten because we're earning cash back. So Walgreens is obviously in my favorite visited, CVS is there, all the places that I always shop. Carter's is 10%. What? Might have to do a deal on that. My son needs some new clothes, and I just love buying clothes for him. I would rather buy him clothes than buy me clothes, and that's saying a lot. Okay, so anyway, at the top, you're going to search for Walgreens. Mine is already right here, so I'm just going to click on it. It's going to transfer you to the regular Walgreens website. Do not close out of this and open the app. It will not work. This is how you're linking Rakuten with Walgreens because Rakuten sent you to the Walgreens website. So that's how it knows, oh, okay, I sent her there. So now when she places the order, I'm going to be able to give her the cash back, okay? That's how it works. So the first thing we're going to be doing is grabbing some Secret deodorant. Now, Secret is only one of the options. What I wound up doing is Old Spice because I personally use Old Spice deodorant and I freaking love it. But I want to show you guys the Secret option as well because there's more cash back. So what you're going to do is grab any 3 of these, Outlast or Fresh. They're $10.99. They're buy one, get one half off. You're going to clip the 5 off 3 digital coupon. Plus we're clipping this booster here for spend $45. I wish I could zoom in on my computer. I don't know how to do that on a Mac. Anyway, clip this booster here for spend $45 on select PG products. We're getting $15 in Walgreens cash. And we're clipping this booster for buy 4, get $4 in Walgreens cash. You're adding 3 to your cart. Only adding 3 to your cart, clipping all of those things. Next, we are going to be getting a Secret Clinical. So any of these is going to work. This one is cheapest here at $11.99. And there is a 3 off 1 digital coupon, so you're going to want to go ahead and clip that. We're also going to be submitting to Ibotta, so I'll go over that in just a second. We'll go over that in a second. Okay, let's keep going. So now we have 4 products in our cart so far. We're going to keep going though because we've got to be at $45 to be able to earn back this Walgreens cash. So the next thing we are going to do is buy a Gillette Skin Guard Razor. Got to get the Skin Guard Razor. This is what it looks like here. Okay, calm down, Walgreens. Because it works with a $3 digital coupon and a $5 digital coupon. We're going to clip the $3 one and the $5 one. The $5 one works on Venus as well, but there's only that $5 one for the Venus. So what I mean is, we're going to grab 2 products, Gillette and Venus. $5 one works for both, but the Gillette has a $3 one too, and we want to make sure we have a coupon for both products. So clip this, add one of these to your cart. The last one we are going to grab is the Venus. I grabbed the on-the-go one. I thought it was super cute. There's a comfort glide you could grab as well. It doesn't really matter. Oh, Mike. Yeah, so here's the $5 digital coupon, so we're going to clip that. This one's $9.99. Add it to your cart, okay? These are also buy two, get $8 in Walgreens cash. You don't need to clip anything for that. It comes automatically. So now we are going to go to our cart. If you are not new to Rakuten, this is what you're going to be picking up, okay? Here's a really good deal for you. We're going to be grabbing $54 worth of products. You're going to pay $41.88 out of pocket. Now, you want to use code WAG10. That'll save you an additional $1.20. Working on everything. Make sure all the coupons are coming off. They are. So you're paying $41.88 out of pocket. Look how much Walgreens cash you're earning back. $27. Oh my gosh, my phone is going nuts. $27.52 in Walgreens cash. Then you are going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $4 cash back on the 3 Secret and $1 cash back on the Secret Clinical. That's $5 cash back plus the 2% cash back from Rakuten calculates on the product value. So you're going to get a little over $1 cash back on that as well. That's going to make your final cost about $8.19 for all of these products. That is an amazing deal. Again, I wound up doing this deal personally, but I used Old Spice instead because that's a product I use. Always make sure that you're buying something that you actually use. Now we're going to add a couple more things to our cart. If you are doing the new user bonus with Rakuten, if you use my link below, you have to spend $50 out of pocket before taxes. This number includes taxes. So we've got to make sure that we are at $50 before taxes. So we're going to subtract this amount and make sure that we're still over $50 and we'll get the $50 bonus, okay? So let me show you a couple more items to add to your cart. All right, so I have the breakdowns on the left just so I can go through and make sure that we're grabbing everything. Again, if you want the breakdowns, they'll be below. It's free. Just grab it. Okay, so we're going to add a Febreze, small spaces. Actually, let me add everything to my cart so this can go by a little bit quicker. So I updated everything in the cart. Let's go over this. We have $93 worth of products. So what I did is I switched out the Secret for the Old Spice way, just to give you another variation as well. Now there is an Old Spice that is $13.99, but this particular store didn't have it available, so I just used this one. Grab 2, there's a 7 off 2 digital, and then 2 of the sprays. They are $8.99, buy one, get one half off with should be a 5 off 2 digital. Yep. Oh, come on. With a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure that you clip that. So see, if you forget to clip a coupon, it'll say coupons available and you can just click it and you can update it right there from your cart. Next, we have 2 Dove hair care products, $5 each with a 4 off 2 digital. 1 Colgate battery powered toothbrush for $10.99 with an $8 digital. 1 of these Downy Unstoppables for $4.99. These smell so good. I grabbed them today. I smelled them amazing with a $4 digital coupon. Next, you are going to grab Febreze 2 count of the car clips, $5.99 with a $3 digital. Febreze bathroom 2 count for $5.49 with a $3 digital. And the Skin Guard and the Gillette, we're still grabbing those like we did in the other deal. So you'd be left to pay $59.57 out of pocket. But remember, we have to be at $50 before taxes. Before taxes. So we have to subtract these 2 numbers. That leaves us at $51.40 before taxes. So we're good to go. Doing this example, you will get the $50 bonus. You're getting almost $28 cash back from Walgreens in Walgreens cash. Next, you're getting the $50 cash back bonus from Rakuten. You're getting the 2% cash back on the $93, which is going to wind up being $1.86. And you're going to submit over to Ibotta for $2 cash back on 1 of the Old Spice. So this example, your net cost is going to be free, and a $23 moneymaker, okay? So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you score this deal. Of course, there's a bunch of variations, but I at least wanted to give you 2 really, really good ones so you can start saving money on all of the name brand products that you're gonna be buying anyways. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.